Autodesk Maya is an end-to-end 3D solution that enables visual effects artists, modelers, and animators to imagine, design, and create high-quality content for film and TV, games, and advertising. Maya software offers 3D animation, modeling, simulation, and rendering. Maya has a comprehensive creative feature set on a highly extensible production platform, boasting high-end character and effects toolsets along with increased productivity for modeling, texturing, and shader creation tasks. Maya brings the versatility of a tool that is capable of both complex visual effects as part of a large pipeline, as well as a tool that is getting easier and easier to use out of the box, creating appeal for studios both large and small. When subscribing to Maya, you have the flexibility to select the subscription term that best suits your needs. Whether you need access for a month, quarter, or year, subscribing to Maya is a cost-effective choice for freelance artists, startups, and independent studios that need the flexibility to ramp up and down quickly. And since Maya is subscription-based, you always have the latest and greatest tools at your fingertips. Subscribe to Maya today to take advantage of the 3D creation solution used by leading visual effects professionals and studios.